semester I'm going to be teaching Theoretical Physics 101.
My talk, or the talk that I'll be giving during Splash, is called Reproductive Health and Sex Education.
I'm teaching a class on mental health and music.
My class is Genetically Modified Ethically Challenged.
And this semester I'll be teaching Cultivating Your Authentic Self. I'm going to be teaching a class called Striking a Chord, The Joy of Singing Together.
Supply and demand, labor markets and such, and how they really interact with current events, which I think is pretty interesting.